Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in September 2024. Fall time is here and there's a lot of great things on sale for both ITC members and also a lot for non-ITC members. New coupons just dropped and I'll break it all down for you. So sit back, relax, and let's check out what they have this month. So before we get started, when one parking lot sale over at Harbor Freight ends, the next ad usually gets leaked shortly after. And here's the next one. It's going to take place in early October. And the ad was leaked over on Reddit. I'll have a link to this in the description if you want to see the full ad. As a spoiler alert, this is a pretty standard parking lot sale. There's really no deals here that really stick out that much to me. It's a lot of the standard stuff that you'll always find on these sales. So we'll definitely talk about and break down this ad more in my October Harbor Freight video. So stay tuned for that. But if you have any big purchases coming up or anything like that, and you want to just make sure it's not going to be on sale during that next parking lot sale, check the description and check out this ad. So first up in the deals that you can get right now is this Grant's extra large microfiber drying towel. I absolutely love this thing. It works excellent when you're done with a car wash and you want to dry off your car. It is massive, so you can really just throw this on the hood of your car and drag it off and it gets the water off perfectly. Doesn't leave any of those water spots. It's also double-sided, so usually I'll use one side for the body of the car and the other side for the windows. But this is just $6 and absolutely worth that price. So check out this if you like detailing and doing your own car washes. Next up, if you've been shopping at Harbor Freight for a while, you are for sure familiar with this flashlight. It is often a free item of the weekend type of thing. It's been a while since they've had one of those, especially with this flashlight, but it's just $1. These things are great to always have on hand. They have a main floodlight on the front and a little smaller flashlight on the side. They're also magnetic. They have a hook on the back. So you can absolutely wait for those times when they are a free item with a purchase, something like that. But for just $1, I would throw one of these in every car I had. Another great item in their Dollar Days promotion are these pick up and reach tools. These are just $2. Don't expect a ton out of these. But here's kind of a dad pro tip. If you buy these for your kids, it will encourage them to clean up after themselves, and it might make cleaning up more fun for them. So for just $2, I think these are worth it. These 4-outlet power strips for just $3 is a great deal. You can always use these around the house, around the shop, pretty much anywhere. And they're usually a lot more than $3 at Walmart and other places like that. A nice sort of starter cushion grip screwdriver set for just $5. This one from Pittsburgh. It's a 12-piece set. They have magnetic tips and nice rugged comfort grips on them. So just a nice screwdriver set here for a great price. A shovel for just $9 is a deal you really can't pass up. This is an excellent deal. It is a square nose shovel, but if you're going to be spreading any dirt or mulch or anything like that this fall, $9 for one of these is an absolute steal. The very popular Warrior heat gun. This might be an all-time low price, just at a random time of the year. This is just $9 right now. I think the lowest I've ever seen this go is $10 is usually the sale price, but $9 for this. If you don't have one of these yet, make sure you pick one up. I promise you'll get $9 worth out of this. But these are great for removing sticky labels and stickers. It can strip paint, loosen fittings, thaw pipes, all that stuff. So it's just a great thing to always have around for just $9. I mean, you really can't get anything cheaper than that. A sneaky good brand over at Harbor Freight is Quinn. They make some great ratchet sets, mechanics tool sets, screwdrivers. Their electronics repair kit is awesome. They make some great scissors. But all these products are 20% off, and this is valid through September 8th. So make sure you jump on this deal. I think the Quinn brand is some of Harbor Freight's best products that they sell. So if there's anything you've been eyeing, check out this coupon, 20% off everything. The Merlin air compressor accessory kit. This is kind of a great starter kit if you're just getting a compressor or something like that. This is just $18 right now, 21% off. You're getting the blowgun, a coil hose, and a bunch of different tips, quick connect tips, as well as air needles and inflators and all that kind of stuff. So this is $18. This infrared laser thermometer is great if you own a griddle or grill. You can really dial in that exact temperature that you want. And this is just $18 right now. These are super easy to use. You just really point and shoot. And it has a nice backlit display to it as well, so you can easily see that temperature reading. A 50-pack of shop towels are just $9. So if you need to restock, now is a great time to do that. If you frequently travel with heavy loads, check out these 20-foot, 833-pound capacity tie-downs. These are just $9. A newer item that Harbor Freight is selling is the manual feed drain cleaning drum machine from Bauer. This is $270 on sale, but it has 50 feet of steel cable and can really get you out of a bind if you need to clear out any drains. From Pittsburgh, they have their long reach hose grip pliers, a 3-piece set here for just $10. And then on the Icon line, they have their needle nose pliers for just $15. A really nice flashlight to keep in the car. This is the one that I always keep with me. If you want to upgrade a little bit from that dollar one that we talked about earlier, here is the Braun Tactical Light. It has a rating of 590 lumens. It's really small and compact, and this is just $10 right now. It has a nice telescoping mechanism on the front where you pull it up or down to adjust the light beam. And when you put it at its lowest setting, it really can shine a light pretty far away. I was really impressed with this. It's just $10. You might not think of Harbor Freight as selling phone cables, but these are not bad ones. A 6-foot USB-C cable for just $8 is a nice price. They are nice and durable. They have that nice braided cord that's really resistant to tearing and breaking. So check out these if you need a phone charger. Another nice flashlight from Braun. Here's the 400 lumen. This is rechargeable and it's also waterproof. Spotlight, I believe it actually floats in water, so you won't have to worry about that. It's a great thing to keep on a boat. But this is just $15, 25% off. Another sort of dad hack item. Here's the Pittsburgh Jumbo Aluminum Hook for just 99 cents. A great thing to do with these is to attach them to strollers. They're great for holding kids' water bottles or really anything else that'll attach to them. Also, some brands make these exact things specifically for that, and they are usually around $7 over at Target. So just get these for 99 cents. They are the exact same thing and they work just as well. You can also get some safety glasses here for just 99 cents, really a no-brainer. Have some of these everywhere, every toolbox, every car you have, truck. Put these everywhere, just 99 cents. It's also that time of year where you're going to be seeding, and you might want to kill off any weeds that you have now. Here is a 4-gallon backpack sprayer. This is a very basic model. You can't really expect high performance out of this, but it is just $22. It's about as cheapest as you can possibly get for one of these things. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a pump sprayer and still need that 4-gallon capacity, check out this. From the Warrior line, they have their quick release magnetic nut setter set, a 9-piece set for just $4. Bauer has their 6-amp 3-inch high-speed cutoff tool for just $25. Here is a do not buy, and not because I don't like the product. I actually love this Icon shop seat. This is on sale for $90, but if you look over at that parking lot sale in October ad, it's going to be down to $70. That's really the price point I would want for one of these. So if you can wait till October, definitely wait on this, as it'll be a lot cheaper then. The Quinn 14-in-1 painter's tool, that is a lot of tools in one. I really mainly use this for scraping, opening paint cans, cleaning paintbrush rolls, stuff like that. But this is just $3, absolutely worth that price. You also have your V-shape hang-all. These are great for hanging hoses, really anything around your garage shop. And these are just $1.50. Some stacking clear bins are just $3 a piece. The next deals are for ITC members only. That's the Inside Track Club that you need to pay a yearly membership for. And one thing to note on that is they do offer a 2-year membership if you do it in person, and it's a lot cheaper. I think 1 year is $30 and 2 years is $45. So if you're planning on buying it and having it for 2 years, definitely check out that option in the store. But for ITC members, they can get the Bauer hammer drill here for just $70. These are great for drilling into concrete or masonry, anything like that. You also have the Central Machinery 16-inch variable speed scroll saw for just $90. With the humidity almost gone and the cooler weather here, it's a great time to enjoy your back deck or patio. And here's some great string lights. These are the incandescent kinds, they're not the LED kind, but these are just $18 right now. These 3-way grounded adapters, always great to have around the shop or garage and have spares of them. These are just $1.50. These jumbo hooks are great for hanging bikes. That's what I use mine for. They can get them hung up on the wall and out of your way, and are a cheap way to do it at just $1.50. If you're attaching anything to your hitch, like luggage rack or a bike rack or anything like that, one of these hitch stabilizers are a must-have. They will just make your ride a lot smoother. They will hold it a lot tighter, and this is just $9. So if you've ever noticed your bike rack or anything like that rattling around, get one of these. You can tighten it down and it will completely take away that rattle. Also, if you have any camping trips coming up, check out this pack of 10-inch steel tent stakes. It's a 6-pack for just $4. Another great pickup here is a 10-pack of their super glue. This is just $2.29. You can usually get these super glue packs over at Dollar Tree, but it does not ever come with 10. It usually comes with maybe like 4. So this is really a much better deal than even Dollar Tree. Nice set of T-shank general purpose jigsaw blades from Bauer, a 30-piece set with a little case for just $10. The Bauer blower is just $40. It is tool only. You will need to have some of those batteries on hand or get an adapter that can use some of your other batteries. This isn't the highest rated blower in the world, but it can be a great option if you're just trying to dry off a car after you do a car wash, and $40 is absolutely worth it for that. The Warrior Corner Detail Sander is a great little starter woodworking sander, and this is just $9. That is a great price right there. So if you're just a weekend warrior, an occasional woodworker, and you might occasionally need one of these, just pick this up for $9. Don't go spend big money on something you might not use all the time. I love these garden hose nozzles. They're just $3. They will never wear out on you like those other ones will. The other ones do have nice spray patterns, where with this, you do have to kind of twist it, and you either get full jet or full fan mode. But they are much more durable than those plastic ones, and for just $3, just a great deal here. And then my last deal here is this Storehouse wire rack. It is on sale for $30 for ITC members. This is great for storing, of course, electrical wire like you're seeing here, or if you're into 3D printing, this could be great for storing some filament. It can hold up to 12 spools. So check this out if you like to 3D print. That's it. Those are all my deals this month. As always, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.